Hello friends, welcome to Savvaji. Today we are going to learn Arisalu, a Makara Sankranti special recipe. Arisalu is a traditional sweet of South India prepared for Makara Sankranti, and it is also prepared for weddings, and there are three of variants in Arisalu. When prepared with pure ghee known as Nethi Arisalu, these are very soft and tasty. Using oil and ghee in equal proportion gives a crispy outer layer and a soft inner layer. Arisalu prepared with oil only are the most crispy, and in this procedure we have used sesame seeds, and if you don't like to use sesame seeds, you can use poppy seeds, and sesame seeds heat up the body, and being winter season it helps. Now we'll see how to prepare this Arisalu. Ingredients required are: we need 2.5 cups rice powder, 1 cup grated jaggery, and 3 tablespoons sesame seeds, and 3 tablespoons grated coconut. This is optional, and half cup water, and oil for deep frying, and you can use ghee also. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Soak 2 cups of rice for around 5 to 6 hours. Drain and spread on a clean cotton cloth. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Now grind to fine powder in a mixie. Sieve the powder if necessary. The powder should be slightly damp, and the quantity of the powder should be around 2.5 cups. If you done this through outside a flour mill, that flour will be perfect to prepare this Arisalu, other than using mixie at home. Now take a thick bottom vessel and pour a half cup of water and add 1 cup of grated jaggery to it. There are so many varieties of jaggery we are finding outside, so select the perfect jaggery to prepare this Arisalu. This is very important. Very colorful and little sweet jaggery is preferred to make this Arisalu. And now after the jaggery melts, filter the syrup in a tea strainer, and now in a medium flame make a thick syrup. To check the syrup's consistency, take some water in a bowl or plate and put on a drop of syrup into the water, and the syrup should be lumpy and settle at the bottom, and it should not melt. Now slowly add the rice powder to the syrup, stirring constantly. Now switch off the flame and add sesame seeds. And mix well, and let it cool to room temperature, and then make small balls. Take a plastic sheet and apply some oil on it. With your fingers, shape the balls to round puris. Heat oil in pan and deep fry this arisalu in a medium flame until golden brown color. Add one by one. Fry in medium flame, don't forget this. Now remove from the oil, place between two ladles and press. After pressing in between two ladles, immediately press hard with the wooden press to extract excess oil. This wooden press available in markets, wooden arisalu press. Put arisalu on tissue paper so that remaining oil will also be absorbed, and let cool, and after that you can store this arisalu in airtight containers. So yummy Sankranti recipe. Andhra famous sweet tasty arisalu are ready. Little patience is required to prepare this arisalu. It takes little more time because of different stages of preparing this. Because of special recipe for Sankranti, we have to prepare this. Kids also love to have it, and really mouth-watering recipe. So you try to prepare this, and people really wait to taste this recipe for Sankranti. So festival is coming, so prepare and enjoy. Wish you very happy Sankranti, and keep watching my videos. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.